Another would-be happy occasion interrupted by the explosion in Beirut. A wedding couple, she in her white dress, he in a tux, pose for their photos. They look perfect, made for this moment. But then all hell breaks loose. Windows are shattered, dust and debris fly everywhere. The camera that was capturing the joyous moment suddenly becomes a witness to a tragedy. You can hear shouts and screams. The landscape is transformed from one moment to the next. The photographer reported that neither the couple nor any of the people working on the photo shoot were hurt.